Hello, good evening to all sponsor LOTTO channel followers. Another opportunity coming your way again. So tomorrow will be Monday, and I've been looking through the Monday paper to get something for us tomorrow. So as the is come, the result was very bad. So we need to forge ahead. All right. So the the Monday game that I have is a game that a timing plan that will be next week, but I have to explore the keys to see what will happen tomorrow before the following week. So if you are very wise, after showing the plan, you'll be able to like know what will happen next. But let me just go through that and see. So I saw these numbers. This and this will give you additional for 73. Single 9, 64. Additional of 73. You see, so counting with that 73 will go minus 2 and give you 71. So counting with that 71, come and drop with 32. Alright. Then you see 52 over here. Okay. So the second setup is this. This and this. 22, 34. Will also give you 56. Addition 56. You see. So counting with the 56 to minus 2 will give you 54. Let it come and drop with 32. So follow week you will see what? 43. Alright, so this addition 73, that went minus of 2 to give you this 71. Counting with that 73 itself is this. You see. So this addition 56, that went minus 2 to give you this 54. Counting with this the 56 itself. Alright. So counting with the 73 came to drop. You will see 50, 33, 50, 33, first and fourth. You see, then the 73 will be on the line. Repeat it 1 to 90. You see, you come and see 50, 33. Then the 73 will be on the line with 30 in machine. With 30 in machine. When you repeat the 73, 1 to 90. See, it is from here. Counting with it will repeat. Alright, so here too, the same counting, this is 56. You come and see 50. You see, 33 on 50, 33. You see, then the 56 will be on the line. Solid. Then 30 will go to machine. When you are done, repeat this number. If you are looking for a banker to go to 1 to 90, it is 56. Yeah. If you are looking for a banker to go to 1 to 90, it is 56. Now let me show you two show over here. When you got here, the 32, what is it doing? So come and add the 32 to this number, the 52 over here. 32 to 52, you get 84. That 84 should land in machine with 30. Therefore, that 52 came. That 52 came. Alright. That 52 came. So here to when you got here, what is the 32 doing over here? The 32 plus the 43 will give you 75. So the 75 will go to machine with the 30. You see, therefore this 43 must come alongside the 56. It must come alongside the 56. Now, when the addition 73 was there, was double it over here. And when the addition 56 was there, 79 over there. You see. So it is this 70 double 8 minus 36, that gave you this 52 over here. This double 8 minus 36 is this number. You see. So this 79 here also minus 36 is the 43. Or the same way you can see that the 40 double 8 over here from 131 is the 43 over here. Therefore the 79 over here from 131 is the 52 over. You can see it's the same thing. Alright, it's the same thing. Now, if that is the case, then this 52 and then this 79, you see, 131, they came. You see them over there. You see? So if that is the case, then this double it, and then the 43. If the 43 is coming, it should attract this double it, they should come. Just like the way this and this also came. This and this must also come. So you add double it to the numbers. 3 numbers. Now the only 2 numbers on the line are what? 12 and 71. 12 and 71. Which are addition of what? 83. And since we have 50, double 3, dropping at addition 83, and it's saying that the following week you should take 2 numbers addition 83 again, we are going to search for addition 83. You see, we are going to search for addition 83. How do we search for those numbers? First of all, you have this and this 73 minus 1 minus 2 is the 71 you saw over here. You see, very good. So if you have this and this, and it's minus 2, which is 54, you saw it, this number over here. Then if you are searching for addition 83, then you see this number from 83 to give it 12. You realize that the 12 rather came to drop over here. And the 54 to from 83 will give you 29. So here is your 29. So the 29 came here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the 50 double 3 came. So the 12 also came here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the 50, 83 came. Addition of what? 50, 83 came. Addition of 83, 83. You see? Therefore, this 12, match it here. Go and match the 12 to here. Addition of 83. And then match the 50, you see, match the 29. 29, you see, 29 and 54, addition of 83. 71 and 12, addition of what? 83. So if 50 double 3 drop and 30 went to machine, follow week, it is the 12, this 12 and what? 12 and 71. They came, you see. So if tomorrow you saw 50 double 3 over here, go and stake 54. 29. 54, 29. Let me walk over the plan for you again. I said 964 is 73. Counting with 73 minus 2 will give you 71. 71 will drop with what? 32. After that, you saw 52 over here. Then you came to see this 79. So the second setup is this 22, 34. You see? That one to counting with, it will be 56. So minus 2 will give you 54. 54 drop with what? 32. Follow week you saw 43. So from here counting with that the original 73, this 73, it will come and drop. So the same thing do from here. This 56. Here is it. So if counting with from here, you saw 50 double 3 on the line. On this event, 30 was in machine. Then this 73 was there and repeated. Therefore, it means that this 56, you will see 50 and then what? Double 3 over here. 30 went to machine. The 56 will be on the line. Therefore, repeat the 56 as 1 to 90 banker. You see, repeat the 56 as 1 to 90 banker. Now, and I was saying that you saw 52 over here. And here you saw 43. Then on top of the addition, 73, there's double 8. Here, on top of the addition 56, there's 79. So it's just difference 99. Here you saw 52. Here you saw 43. 79. Then here what? Double 8. So it's difference 3. So you can group them to get the addition of 131, 131. So this and this addition 131. It's a 52, 79, 131. Then 43 double 8, 131. You see? Therefore, it is this 32 plus this 32 plus this 32 plus the 52, which give you addition of 84. It's not 84 in machine. At the same time, it is this 79 from 163 that is giving the 84 in machine with the 30. Therefore, this 52 and then the 79, they came alongside the repetition of what the 73. So it became 52, 79, and then 73. So when you get to the second one, this 43, you see, and the 32 will give you addition of 75. If you saw the 75 in machine with 30. At the same time, it is this double 8 from 163 that will give you the same 75. Therefore, if the 56 is supposed to repeat tomorrow, it must go alongside with 43 and then this. So 43, double 8, then 56 repetition. It's just like the way 52, 79, and then 73 repeated. This one will be, so it will be, you see, 52, 79, and 73. So the 73 will come and drop and then repeat again the other two. So here you have 43, double 8, and then 56. So the 56 will first come and drop. Then tomorrow it will repeat again 43 and then double 8. So that one is 3 numbers. That one is 3 numbers. But let me show you a clear 2 direct. And I'm saying that since you have 50, double 3, addition 83, the rest of the numbers on the line are 12 and 71. And they are also addition 83. So let's search for addition 83. And I'm saying that already you have 9 and 64, addition 73. You see, minus 2. That is why the 2 minus 2 is very important. It's the 71 you saw over here. You see. So if you come here, you have 22, 34, which is addition of what? 56. And the 56 to minus of what? 2 is the 54 that drop with what? The 32 over here. Then you can subtract this 71 and then the 54, both from 83, 83, and get 29, 12. So if you get the 29, 12, you saw that the 29 was here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before the 50, 83, addition 83 drop. So here to the 12 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before the 50, and then double 3 drop, addition 83. Therefore, it is this 71 that moved to come and pick this 12, and they came to drop 2 direct. Therefore, tomorrow go and then move this 54 as 1 to 90 banker. Come and pick 29 addition and win Lotto. God bless you. So there's something simple here I want to show you. 50 drop. It's very simple, but it can drop. Then you saw your second and second and fourth number. 62, 79. Then you come here. 50 drop at first box again. You see, your second and fourth box number are 86 and 80, double 3, 86 and double 3. Here you see 62. The 50 was at first box. Then you see 62 and 79, second and fourth. But here you saw 50 at first box. Then you saw 86 as second, then 33 will be at fourth box. Then when you come here, you saw that this 86 and double 3 moved and came under the 2 numbers over here. You see, so it is possible that tomorrow this 9 and 62 will also move and come here. You see, it will move, and so you see 62 and 79 here. You see the way these 2 numbers moved and went under this one. It is vice versa. It is vice versa. There's something more about the plan I can show, but because of this plan, I don't want to explore it again. I've seen a lot of things about it. So stick it to. You see, so 50, 62, 79, 50, 86 and double 3. Then the 86 double 3 moved and came here the following week. You see, they went straight under the 2 show over there. So here to move the 62, 79, move them straight and come under this particular 86 and double 3. Alright, so God willing, tomorrow my banker is what? 54. The 2 show is 29, 54. So 54. Then 2 show is what? 29, 54. Then my second banker, 56, is the banker I even like most, 56. That one, I prefer 43, 56. 43, 56 as 2 show. You see? So if you want best 3 numbers tomorrow, it should be these numbers: 29, 54, 56, 29, 54, 56. Best 4 numbers. If you want best 3 numbers, if you want best 4 numbers, it will be 29, 54, 56 and 43. 29, 54, 56 and 43. It's just a combination of these 2 shows: 29, 54 and then 43, 56. Then I added the double 8 ultimately to it. So 56, 43, double 8, 29 and 54, 5 numbers. Then the last 2 shows I showed, don't joke with it, it's also nice. 7962, 7962. Those things work a lot in Lotto. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful Monday. Thank you very much. The name again, Solomon Abuzo.